Imagine your morning commute involved climbing 500 feet into the air. For a high-voltage lineman, the day doesn't start at a desk. It starts in the sky, suspended over valleys where the wind is the only thing you can hear. Take a look at this pro navigating the lines. He's using a specialized cable trolley to glide between massive transmission towers. It looks like an extreme sport, but this is high-stakes industrial maintenance. Every movement is calculated, and every safety clip is checked and double-checked, because at this altitude, there's no room for error. But why is he out there? He's performing the essential task of installing spacers. These are critical pieces of hardware designed to keep the high-tension cables at a precise distance from one another. Without them, heavy winds could cause these wires to touch, creating massive electrical arcs that would blow out transformers and leave entire regions in the dark. These blue-collar heroes are the silent backbone of the modern world, ensuring the grid stays stable through every storm and every season. It takes nerves of steel and a stomach for heights to work in the clouds. Could you handle this job for a six-figure salary? Let us know in the comments and show some respect for the trade.